Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream. Good to see y'all. Where we had a really good Monday. Looks like the breakout attempt was occurring last night, but as you can see, we got some sort of back test. They broke it, kind of confirmed 99K as support, and then we've run virtually straight up to the next level. Can't really see that level on the daily, but I will show you. This is the 8 hour and the 4 hour. We got some candle closes there. Start with that 8 hour. So you can see it's that 8 hour candle high close from December 4th. We got a test December 6th, the 12th, 13th, resistance the 19th. So that's the level. That's where you're trading at. They've tested it. The last 8 hour candle testing again on this 8 hour candle that will be closing in 21 minutes and 25 seconds, breaking that pretty much 107, or at least the 886 from this dragon pattern that is completely doing well, right? Dragon tail is extending on. What's an 886 from this high to low? 106.5. That's our big 886 target, okay? But yeah, I mean, you can't say like that, oh, this is not a big deal. It's definitely a level. There's some supply here. But if we break it, 106.5, 107.8 on deck, near all-time highs. What happened just yesterday? Bitcoin's relative strength index recaptured. The buyers recaptured the bullish control zone. 60. We were at 62, 61 yesterday. We are now. I mean, this is this is the 8 hour. My bad. Let me show you here. Yeah, you're kind of hot on the 8 hour, but look at this daily. This was the arrow is meant for the daily. Well, okay, the daily it's not here. I'm telling you, dude. What the? Maybe it was 12 hour. Yeah, 12 hour. 12 hour was breaching the bullish control zone yesterday or earlier today, I guess, with 20 minutes to go to the close. Now it's at 66.9, back in the bullish control zone. Last two times, December 4th, December 16th, we got to overbought territory. You saw, 104K, and then you saw an all-time high. But it was so short-lived. You never extended into overbought territory either time. So what's going to happen this next time we hit 70 on the 12 hour? All right. Daily. Here's the daily RSI. Anyway, the arrow's not there, but it's there, dude. This is huge. They're recapturing the bullish control zone on the daily, the 12 hour. The 8 hours now overbought. Crazy stuff. This is really good. You always want to be above 60 in a bull trend. All right, so new development. Hype in the chat. Positive momentum. First level of it seen yesterday. First time since November 25th. So we're talking about we had this 39-day. I don't know. You could okay, positive momentum. What a joke, right? You had a lull. Like, let's start building positive momentum and go way higher. Like, the big resistance was 99K. I do know, 106.5. That 886 could very well catch a reaction there, but hopefully it'd be a pause of a reaction, and then we just break higher later. And maybe before January 20th, the inauguration, we see all-time highs. That'd be great. So rejoice, everyone. Okay, this is a good thing. This is a good thing. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, what a 1.15% up against that 57.7 level. All right, really strong today. Recapturing the 200-day simple moving average will be confirmed in 18 minutes. Wow. All right. Yeah, Ethereum can't catch a break, really, can it? But it had been doing things today. A lot of the alts were doing things. How about Bitcoin futures? We haven't looked at that in a minute. Why not? Wonderful. Dark cloud cover came down for confirmation low. It's that same little dragon pattern. Wow, look where we are. Look where we are. the golden mean ratio. I think it's the same on spot. I don't have it plotted anymore, just for simplicity's sake. Too many lines and all that. But like here it is, the golden mean ratio. That's where we are, and we are in a new day on futures, CME futures. So this is not a joke of an area. 103, 195. Again, this 1618 comes from an anchor point of the 2021 cycle top to the 2022 bear market low. That's how I anchored, and that's how we got this 1618. Arithmetic, linear scale, not log. Not much here. Really strong. It looks like so far it was a big time bear trap. All right, they were painting, the momentum shift, bearish stuff, and then they defended the support, and they rallied, and they broke out today. So, CME futures on Bitcoin, we have not seen positive momentum since November 29th. It seems like we have one more good day. The next day we have that's good, we're going to start maybe going neutral, seeing positive momentum again. That'd be great. Take us to that 106 level. Okay. Bears blown the F out. Chat, can you hear me? Is the stream on? Audio levels good. Breaker, commenter. All right.
Since we started out on Bitcoin, let's go further into crypto.
Wild AMD clear. Is that a joke? All right, here's Ethereum. Up 1.35%, underperforming Bitcoin pretty miserably today. Yep, it tends to do that. But hey, the good news is if you're above 35.80 and you like Ethereum paired against US dollar, your target is $3,900. So there is good upside potential on Ethereum above 35.80, 35.20. Good 6.66 repeating, of course. Upside from here. Positive moment building. RSI is still not recovered back into the bullish control zone yet. But I would think this is how they go though, right? This is like what I was thinking, where all right, Bitcoin's been correcting, it's been chopping around, and altcoins been running, they've been dumping, okay, here and there. And it's like, well, I think Bitcoin performance would start outperforming everything again on the on this new wave up, and things like Ethereum would lag, Solana, you just think they would lag, and they are today, outside of some smaller coins where it's easier to move the meter because smaller market cap. So big meh. Going for your highest daily candle close since December 17th. Going for the highest daily candle close 2025. Ethereum, that's it, dude. Well, let's take a look at Ethereum to Bitcoin. I haven't done that in a minute, man. Took a vacation from it. Chat, you just think, what can we do? We're going to put in a higher low, man. They're doing it. And then it's just like down 2.49% today. Possibly putting in its lowest high of entire effing, I would just call it a secular downtrend at this point. Secular. No hope for ye. It's just the way it is. Ever since Vitalik Buterin went from proof of work to proof of stake. Proof of stake is this red.
Retard money is co-booming Mitch, 0.0490316 LTC.
YNOTATH, thank you, the 559 at Litecoin. Thank you, man. Yeah, it will return for sure. I mean, it's crazy how fast it disappeared, right? On a 15% drawdown in 3 days, on 4 days, whatever, from the highest side to the lowest low. Dumb money came and went in 4 days, and they're not back yet. It's crazy. Which good. Like at this point, man, I've done all I can. At this point, good. Let all those poor people stay poor. Let them not care. Let them get left behind. Let fiat purchasing power crash continue to destroy them and their souls. I don't care anymore. Okay. I go live every day for free. And we talk about this stuff. Like, just think about everything. Big tech, Nvidia. These assets are, the market is repricing them due to fiat or monetary debasement. That's what's happening. So anyway, Ethereum to Bitcoin, downtrend continuing, well below the 200 moving average. It's pathetic. It's disgusting. Let's hope it goes to even lower prices and we can maybe eventually get an 88% retrace, which assets tend to do that in these situations. I'll be waiting way lower. What does that mean if we just saw an 88% retrace from where we are right now? Oh, wow. Ethereum paired against Bitcoin will lose another 33% of its value before you got to the deep Jesus level, right? The 886, which is like, oh, an undeniable swing low from October 2019 to the undeniable cycle top, right? December 2021. That's the major Fibonacci anchoring. And that 88% retrace is 33% lower than where you are right now. Send it lower, man. Just go fulfill the M shape as they do over and over and over again across all markets. Okay, the 886. But dude, it's Vitalik. It's wow. Anyway, so Ethereum, cool dude. We look at it. It's your second largest crypto in the world, but this chart tells you what a joke compared to Bitcoin itself. All right, let's go to XRP. Looking okay up here, testing up against that supply line of this kind of descending triangle structure. Strong, probably going to break out at some point soon. And I'm just thinking you're eventually going to test 332. Like that's the target. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know if the correction will continue. You know, I don't know when the breakout's going to happen. I'm just thinking like before this is all said and done, it's over, dude, for crypto and Bitcoin. You're going to see 332. Yeah, positive Momo has just begun to build on the daily after a drought since December 9th, or December 9th, the last time you saw it. So it's building, and it's probably going higher, man. Whether it sees 220 or not, who knows? If you saw 220, you could strategize. If you saw 196 again, another level to strategize. But until then, it's just kind of flipping coins. You know, you don't really... Look, as a trader, you always want to see positive price action correlation to old support resistances. It's just part of it, man. It's part of the formula. Without it, oh, you're just guessing. You're just flipping coins. Okay, XRP, nice. Solana, up 2.3%. All right. Doing a little bit better than Ethereum. Not much. Just like Ethereum, not above the, oh my God.
Big Mike 886 tipped $500.42. Respect the .886, 1,206.272618 algo.
Big Mike, thank you so much for the $500.42 of Algorand. I'm an Algorand whale now, thanks to you. Holy crap. Thanks, dude. I just can't even believe it. That's just unreal. That is the largest contribution by far of the year of 2025. So you now are holding the 2025 single contribution record, sir. So hold it close to your heart. I don't think that's getting broken anytime soon. You'd have to have like Mama Ivy come in or someone. We don't really have, you know, Vet Moon Boys and Gavin Crowns and others these days. A different world we live in, but dang, man, that you are the new legend, okay? The new gen. Big Mike Obama? Oh my God. I don't think so, but thank you, dude. So Solana, Big Mike in chat, going for the highest daily candle close since December 17th. Going for a bullish and golden candle, a little bit better than Ethereum. Above 221 though, that's when the party could very well be getting started. That's where 886s could be coming in. You know, 251, 252 up there. Long term, though, I think it's going to do like Ethereum, the long term against the US dollar is going to break to all time highs. Solana paired against the US dollar is going to break to all time highs at some point. Not sure when. We don't act like we know when, okay? But based on the trend, I think it'll happen. So patience required if you're just holding these long term. I think it'll play out. It'll work out for you, okay? Patience. Not like great setups or anything on these particular coins, but there have been wonderful, impeccable setups on some of these altcoins, okay? So having the chat for Solana, I guess, whatever. It's BNB though, spectacular. There we go, man. Like, patience. You own this above 691, you're waiting on $800 to $1,000. $800, $900, $1,000 targets. Big bullish engulfing candle going for the highest daily candle close since December 8th on Binance Coin. All right, remember 691.80, the old cycle top, the old all-time high. So above that, bullish as F. Easy. I mean, anything above 638, though, is bullish as F. But above this level like that, man, you're not going to deter me. I'm not going to be scared about classic distribution above 691.80. Break 691.80. Fail to hold it, and then I'll be maybe a little more concerned, but dang, you just can't be. So way higher in time on Binance Coin, chat. Just hang tight if you own it. $1,000 most likely. I think that's the target on Binance Coin. $1,000. That's a 1618 fib extension. All right. Okay. Dogecoin. Perhaps you've heard of it. It's up 1.2%. Underperformed Bitcoin massively. It'd be nice to get a 34 cent back test. If we were lucky, we could strategize some sort of trading plan there. But when you're not there, it's just flipping coins.
Anonymous tipped $26.02. 0.00025446 BTC.
Anonymous, thank you so much for the $26.02 of Bitcoin. That might be my highest purchase of Bitcoin ever. I don't know. Maybe someone tipped up here 15 through. I don't know. I don't recall. Someone refute that if you did tip me up there. That might be my largest or my highest purchase of Bitcoin ever. 102.2 right there. Thank you, dude, for making me FOMO. It's not even FOMO in the grand scheme of things. Log scale, weeklies, monthlies. Like the monthly on Bitcoin, man. Is it really FOMO? Not really. We just had a mega breakout in November, and then we had a month of like nothing burger. And now this month, out the gate, look at this. Dude, this is like 121 soon. Chat. Your monthly is godlike. 121. Cup with handle measured move. What a dream, man. It looks so good. Out the gate. Can't be surprised if we at least just go test all-time highs again on this month. On this candle. Am I right? Gotta love it.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Jonathan, he said he likes Total Stills. We had an audio recording of Jonathan. We interviewed him earlier, and we asked him about Total Market, and he said,
I like turtles.
Go over here.
okay, working on a bullish and golden candle on Total, going for the highest daily candle close since December 17th. Going for your 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5th highest daily candle close ever. And whatever. But yeah, figured with the confirmation low locally at the bottom of this little range here, you figure, all right, probably 3.62 trillion's coming. Just for a test, they could fail and we dump again. It's just a big range, you know. But that's the magnet on the bottom side, 3 to 3.1 trillion. Top side magnet, 3.62, 3.67 trillion. So really nice candle right here, going for the highest daily candle close of 2025. So just more hype in the chat. Our cuppeth runneth over of hype. All right. Okay, so real quick, let's look at Nvidia because it's on the thumbnail. It's amazing. I freaking love it. That resolution ended up being a huge. This was all a huge bear trap. They gave us, just like the S&P. It was in the spring of last year, the same type of like 3 peaks, and it's like, man, you just cannot be dogmatic with these structures. Are meant to tell us resolutions coming. They're not meant to tell us, hey man, it's gonna dump. You have to think, all right, there's probabilities, and even with your best patterns,
0.886 is the appetizer. Cup and handle is the main course. 0.0490316 LTC.
Anonymous, thanks for the 559. Looks like 1UP coin's working today. Thank you, man. Yeah, Litecoin. Thinking 184 eventually on that one. Thank you, dude. 886. Talking about 1065 is your escargot. Drenched in butter and garlic. Oh my God. Sizzling, you know, coming out the kitchen, sizzling, been put on your table. Your mouth is watering. Yeah, so with chart patterns, right? Head and shoulders, 3 falling peaks, Bukowski, right? You only have a somewhat increased probability of outcomes, all right? Even if this was a 60% chance of a bearish breakdown, you still have a 40% chance, or even only a 55% chance of bearish breakdown. The trend's too bullish, right? You're in a bullish trend, so Bukowski's research, these patterns are not as reliable. And as you can see, the beauty of it is there was resolution. Okay, you could have easily just had the same type of resolution to the downside. It was either 118 or 160. And we're breaking upwards. Highest daily candle close in human history on Nvidia. After hours, it's catching some little bit of animal spirits, up 0.58%. What a freaking couple days. That strength on the second, real strong. First trading day of the year, then they gapped it up, and once again, there's some unfilled gaps there, but wow. This is like exactly what they did last year. If you remember right here, it was so beautiful, man. Like, it was just, you can't make up how perfect the composite man painted this chart pattern. It was unreal. Chat, there it is. Daily candle close. Bitcoin's highest 4-hour candle close since, shoot, man, December 18th. That's a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour. Let's freaking go. We'll finish up with the Nvidia real quick, and we'll go back to Bitcoin. Look on the 8s. But right there, it's the same thing. They tested it. They tested everyone's wits. It was, oh my God, we're going to dump. And then no, bullish hammer at the neckline. And then same thing. Oh no, it's going to break down. And then they recaptured the level. And, you know, ever since then, that false bearish breakdown, look what's happened. So you can't be dogmatic with chart patterns. You can't just say it's over for the asset. But hey, when you're able to identify one that has concluded its development, understand that resolution is impending. So you're either about to, if you are going to short it, you're about to get stopped out real quick, or you're about to impulse down and start getting paid on that short, right? Whatever in this situation. So good to see it break upward. Great for the markets, great for AMD that's testing that 120 level, rallied some semiconductors, I think all-time highs. So good stuff, man. You don't want the market to dump, man. We know what's happening to the US dollar. These things are just getting repriced because of that. Okay, so let's go ahead to Bitcoin real quick. Check out that daily close. We're allowed. There it is, highest daily candle close since December 17th, which was the all-time high. That, chat, was your fourth highest daily candle close in human history on the daily. Fourth place, man. They still give up medals, I think, to fourth place. It's just a smaller bronze medal or something. It's Mesogamma, dude. Hey, it's Batson. But as you can see, that's weird.
YouTubely tipped $25. My BTC tip didn't work.
The heck?
$ERN, Eternity Chain, S-Coin when you get going. Thanks. 25.000000 USDC.
Eternity. Oh, nice one, dude. Man, how many joints did those devs smoke before they came up with that name? Dude, hey man.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, dude, we're gonna name it like Ether, but it's gonna be like Eternity. It's gonna be Eternity, man. Yeah.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
Eternity is totally legal, man. What does it do? Oh, we don't really know what it does. It's a cool name, man. People are gonna buy it. Okay. We'll eventually look at it, YouTube. Why did it not work with Bitcoin, though? I don't know. There's something going on. Someone just tipped in Bitcoin, right? So, I don't know. Okay. Great stuff on Bitcoin. Ethereum's daily close. All right. Highest daily candle close confirmed since December 17th. Nice. Bullish engulfing candle. Nice. Okay. Cool, dude. Really, really cool. So let's look at something we looked at. Well, we posted a trade setup yesterday and it just blew up. Someone in like, you know, the Discord was like, hey man, I like this this asset looks pretty good to go. And I just looked at it and kind of refined it the way I do. Bro, it was straight up like, wow, this looks incredible. Osmo coin. And this wasn't even looked at on stream, I don't think, because it was just, wow, someone, again, posted about it in the Discord. I looked at it and I'm like, this is a dream. This is a dream setup because you have like one valley, the second valley, the third valley. The third valley just happens to be that really formal spring back test. Oh, wow, of just some key level from 2023. It's been tested with the candle close July 2024. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Support, just in November. That's it, man. Your target's easily 80 cents. But, you know, pull back, whatever. Breaking above the 200 moving average. Bullish engulfing candle 2 days ago. Caught fall through today, obviously. Yeah, man, this is great. This is like, and then all of it, the kicker of all of it was this. Where did all of that develop? At the Jesus zone. What's the Jesus zone? Big old deep 886s. Look at that. Look, that inflection point literally was the 886. That's so good. A dream. You gotta respect this because it's like you'll go through 1,000 charts, you won't find one. I mean, you may not find one that has this many good things going for it. This is the dream. This is like, oh wow, you want an increased probability of a particular outcome, which will be going up next. You be looking at Osmo. This is the one. The optimum risk management, maximum upside potential, easiest way to strategize a stop loss. Insane volume, like that highest volume seen on the impulse candle after the setup was posted November 2nd, 2023, over a year high, 52-week highs on volume. That's strong. Right at like 61 on the RSI. Dude, this is what you want, man. It doesn't matter if it's Osmo, Bitcoin, Nvda, Google, Cocoa Futures, Paramount. I don't care what it is. This is the stuff. GameStop. This is what you look for. Okay. Probabui. Oh, nice. Yeah, so I don't even know. Like, the assets that were up yesterday. I mean, some more than others, but really, there are just some that, like Litecoin took a break yesterday. This is one where anything above 105 is legendary for 184 eventually. This is like a new uptrend you're in. That's your line in the sand. I don't know if you know, below 105, you start having an argument to not own Litecoin. But if we never fall below 105, that means your argument is intact to own Litecoin. So that one's good, but didn't do much yesterday / today. Ravencoin, you know, took a break, but man, talk about structures like bullish Gartley, like a perfect Gartley. I mean, it could go to an 886, whatever, but 63% retrace on B, lower high on C, 786 on D, the D point, the Gartley's completion zone just happens to be at the apps, like the freaking range bottom. It's so insanely good. You know, it may not play out, but this is good setup either way. Don't care. I think comp looked good. Yeah, look at comp. I mean, anything above $70 is fantastic. Like they're defending key levels once and now twice. And you're thinking 110, 150 on deck eventually.
I got engaged. LFG. Baba Booey.
Is that a joint?
Let's get a big round of applause
Please clap.
for Sundews. Congrats, man, on your engagement. Hopefully, to a woman. That's great, dude. So just, you know, hopefully you have arrangements set up to where, you know, things don't go well. Hey, prenups, always good, but hey, maybe you don't need it because she's the one. Don't need a backup plan. I hope so, man. Hopefully she's not watching right now. Yikes. Anyway, excuse me. I kind of like the music in the background. I can barely hear it. I love that trumpet. Like ZRX was a good. The ZRX, man. Like this is it. This is like one low, second low. Oh, it's like you would just think, all right, we're on the way to 68, 76 cents. Like this is just the area where you take the position and the newly established uptrend due to that huge move up. 89 cents eventually, man, from here, you would think. Filecoin was another that's just the first target of the trade setup, 642, right? I mean, it was just like, okay, easy enough. All right, $5, 510. All right, 642, 738, $8, you know, 3 targets, traditional targets off support. Remember, we had a successful trade setup a little before, what is it? 11 months ago. It was the same freaking structure at the exact same level. So why not again, man?
Holy Guns tipped $25.05. Can we take a look at Jupiter, JUP? Is this a Wyckoff accumulation? 0.1150000000 Sol.
Wu-Tang!
Holy Guns, thanks dude for the 2505 Solana. We just got a bunch of crypto contributions today. I love it, man. It's the best. No super chat. Like super chat, you want Google to take 30% of what you're trying to tip me, then super chat me. If you want to make sure I get all the contribution, yeah, tip crypto like that. It's incredible. Jupiter, we'll look at it. Okay, so Filecoin, you know, I think it's poised for way higher prices. Like it could come back down, make a higher low somewhere, and then run later. But man, it's just patience, and you'll see $8 probably, maybe $9.50 again. And a lot of them had similar stuff, man. With these like confirmation lows. Render had one and two here, add a support. Yeah, like resistance flipped to support a couple times and they're just running it now. Yeah, this one doesn't have all the data on it, but I would think, you know, probably eventually like 1122 to 1184 up there. Higher to go. Trends your friend. Nice falling wedge breakout. It's beautiful. Really was pretty. Yeah. This is what happens in uptrends. Look at the 200 moving average now. The price action correlation to it's phenomenal. It's like, oh, it's support now. Oh, you're above it now. You're trading above it. Trends reversed. Yeah. So any pullback, it'll probably be a higher low than previous lows. You'll run again later. NEO, insane. Like it's just, you can't even make up how perfect it was. This is not, dude, these levels have been plotted here for years. Chat, years. Look what happened. Tripping through time. Manufactured first in August 2018. All right, resistance, reversal. Look at this double top resistance for dump. Right, that's look again. Then it flips to support once and then twice. And what does it do after it tests this level successfully for the second time? Oh my God, it runs all the way to where? Oh, $140. So you're trying to tell me we're at that exact same level doing the exact same thing we did. Now they can make it a more profound, like second low or something. They could do this, like, you know, but you're at this key level of historic significance and it's undeniable. So the target from here is probably $21, $22, like up here eventually. Yeah, so there's assets. VeChain had its own little confirmation low locally. I don't think it was at a really good level. Yeah, 3.9 cents was the big level. They only tested it once, right? That crazy December 20th day. But it seems like it's broken out and it's getting ready to run to at least 6 cents. DYDX didn't really get to the level we would have wanted it to. Yeah, it just didn't. That's okay. IMX though, oh boy, dude, this is like trade setup worthy right now. I mean, this is like someone could take long on this. I'm telling you, look at this 200 moving average where we're at. Look at how things have changed. Oh man, lows. Okay, same low. All right, all of a sudden, the key levels recaptured and it's reconfirmed as support December 20th, whatever. And look at this even more positive price action correlation after. Like, oh, it's like perfect now. Are you kidding me? Dude, this is like, you know, people take longs on assets that look like this. This is the end of the consolidation, in my opinion. We were ending it, okay? June of last year to now, talking like 7 months now, sideways, and at the 7 months, and in the end of it, we're witnessing an M shape and really good price action correlation to an undeniable level. No one could argue with this level's validity of historical significance. This is it, man. This is the level in the sand where you're looking to long if it's got the stuff we're looking for. So IMX, guess what? Your target, minimum 222 for the top of the harmonic, probably 270, 285. Yeah, this is it, man. One could take long if they wanted. But you know, if you're in the Patreon or Citadel, you know I ping you on these charts. Like everyone in the group, you know, that supports this 100% crowdsourced community knows what's going on IMX because you're pinged on it in charts only in the Discord. So speaking of that, I've just pinned the link to if you want to support this 100% crowdsourced community and get trade setups and get access to my charts and significant pings and all that. It's pinned. Real quick, let me just say a big shout out to hold on. Big shout out to Wands Pat. Thank you for joining the Patreon. The Ninja, thank you so much for also joining the Patreon. Gaia Tiger, thank you so much for renewing for 24 freaking months.
Technology.
Let's go, dude. 2 years now. Oh, unbelievable. Thank you, man. Eat You Cats. Thank you for the 10 months of continued support. Patreon/Citadel, not State Farm Jake. Thank you for the 2 months. The renewal right there means a lot. Thank you, dude. Kurt, thank you for the 6 months of continued support. And then Sabi Man, thank you for the 4 months of continued support in Patreon/Citadel. Thank y'all so much. Holy crap. Yeah. So this is type of behavior. This is like INJ a little bit. INJ is great, man. Like INJ, active trade setup as soon as posted. Out the gate, right? Up significantly. But we're waiting on $45. $44.90. That's the target. That's the long-term target. $30, yeah, you'll test $30, it'll pull back, and then it will go to $45 most likely. This is what, okay, long-term uptrend. This is the absolute end of consolidation. You're concluding This is the momentum shift. We are pretty much momentum traders. That's what we're, these M shapes, bullish back tests of key levels, lower lows, lowest lows, lower highs, lower lows. Oh, all of a sudden, what happened? Oh, no longer are we making lower lows. We're making higher lows, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. The momentum, Chad.
Anonymous tipped $25. She went bonkers today. Can't remember if I asked for this last week, but if I please and thanks. Dolphin, Tornado.
Dolphin Tornado. Anonymous, thanks to 25. You want GFAIA? I don't remember about XTIA. I don't specifically remember. Maybe we did. I don't think so, but maybe, man. All right. Please understand, I want you to come back and be like, hey, man, you know, like the analysis of Injective was pretty good. This is it. I mean, if you give me enough time, INJ is going to see a 70% rally, most likely. Probability is high. This will happen. You know how it all started, though? As they typically do. A little bitty M shape, of course, of some sort. Yep, little cipher pattern. Shifted everything. You didn't know it was the little snowflake that began the avalanche of new momentum. Hi in the chat. But now this one, way more pronounced. You had a type 2 return on it. Good price action at $20. I dig it, man. So there are others, you know. Definitely others out there that look similar or not bad. Check on Ace that had an awesome setup, dude. You know, didn't have a good day. A hanging man reversal actually a couple days ago. Caught fall through today, not really good. I mean, might come back down. I mean, they're still testing this 4.1 tenths 1 cent level, but you do have, where is it? There. I mean, that is so good looking, man. Forget the wicks, scam wick, whatever, crypto. That's just, I think if you're patient enough, you'll see 6.7 tenths of 1 cent and 7.8 tenths of 1 cent eventually. That's a lot up. So I think eventually Ace is going to see 54 to 85% upside eventually, but patience is required. It always has been required. I guess unless you own Osmos. All right. Let's look at the Mag 7 real quick, and then we'll go to the requests, okay? The best to the worst. Let's go to Meta that just, oh my God, man, you can't stop it. Meta will not stop. Up 4.23%, up another 0.46% after hours. That was technically your third highest daily candle close ever. And just the highest low ever. And some hidden bullish divergence at this point from this low to the highest low. Wow, that's just unstoppable. What is it? Zuckerberg with his glasses, smart glasses? I got them for Christmas. It's okay. The Ray-Bans, you can't tell that they're taking videos or pictures if I want.
Dubay tip $25. CGC, Dubay, easy to manage risk in the basement.
It's in the basement for a reason, Doobie. I don't think Trump's going to be legalizing weed. We got bigger fish to fry, right? Closing the borders. Jobs back in America. Ending the communist takeover of the administrative state. And a lot of fish to fry besides legalizing cannabis, man. So, but we'll look. CGC, I know, like I'd posted a chart. It looked okay. But anyway, wow, incredible. Meta, unstoppable. Probably going to make all-time highs tomorrow. Nvidia, we already looked at it. Fantastic. Highest daily candle close ever. Gapping up like crazy. Yes. Google. Wow, Google. Highest 12-hour candle close ever. Highest daily candle close ever. By like a couple cents, but very real. Still below 200, but that seems like the long you keep doing stuff like this. Like you're gonna test that, you're gonna break it, and you'll have targets. 204, 210, 220. 220 is the 1618. That's your big target. All right. Wow. You can't stop big tech, man. Amazon. So look what they've done. Like one low, they're confirming a bottom up here. It's trying to rally. Unreal. Is it like bull flagging? Or have you already broken out of the flag now? Like this? Like, are you kidding? Already? We'll see. Remember, Bulkowski talks about breakouts being above the top of the flag. So I think you need to break to all-time highs to confirm it. But that's the major 1618 on Amazon. That's where they reacted. We're going to go test it again soon. 231.68. Holy crap. Killing it. Microsoft had some pretty crappy price action today compared to the others. Because like you're trading below 230 or 430, 433. In fact, you just barely, you gapped up, but then you just tested the resistance as resistance, and that's it. You're just dojiing. But you're above the 200 moving average. Dude, it is so neutral. But it just, guess what they're doing? Just another higher low. So this is just testing the hearts and souls of men. But if they ever get us back above 433, I'm going to feel a lot more comfortable about this asset. Kind of your worst. The worst of the Mag 7s right now is Microsoft, Bill Gates. Here's Apple, only at 0.67% today, but this one is just killing it, right? Thinking you're still going to see 261, 262 for a 1618 because the 886 on the B point is, in the higher low. That's deep crab, red for deep fried crabs. So I think we would probably target for that eventually. Nice little Doji Star reversal, abandoned baby, kind of. On Friday. Today you caught the fall through candle to really paint the pattern. So, okay, attempted rally maybe on deck for Apple. If not, okay, 237 is fine for a back test because they've never done it. That'd be a wonderful area to maybe add or something. Tesla, look what they did, yesterday up or on Friday, 8.2%, and today they recaptured that 400 level. Wow.
Lights tipped $34.61.
Dang.
Smile. 0.158140000 Sol.
Lights up. Thanks for the 3461 of Solana, man. Wow. Really appreciate that. Very generous of you, sir. Holy crap. Let's go. But Tesla also been generous. Recapturing what? You're just up against this extremely real old all-time high for November 2021. Breaking back above this, they'll attempt to rally and probably take us to 500, 499, 1272 up there. But you trying to tell me it's all over now? Like we're already reversing course? Do we have anything? Is it kind of like downsloping consolidation? Holy crap, it's like that. Are they really doing this, dude? On Tesla? Maybe. That's it. You're just downsloping consolidation after a base melting run. And that's all we have. That's your Mag 7. Not bad, man. So let's look at a few of these requests, man. I had a really tough workout today, so I'm trying to keep it together. First request was Eternity Chain for YouTube. Big Mike didn't have a request. He was just being freaking awesome. Same with Anonymous 2, and Fath. Eternity on, he didn't specify, I guess on Binance, because I like Binance for the data. Oh, I've been here before. I have lines plotted here, and the lines that plotted here, some really good price action correlation. Ooh, one could attempt to try to manage their risk in this situation. Stop loss below 248. You just let this ride to mark up to new levels. Look, think about it, man. It's like a big old M shape, 100% retrace to 140. But this level had a candle close and a wick here. The first ones ever. Everything correlated after that. even recently this year or last year, 2024, a lot. And so it's just now support. It's like their spring, back test of spring, kind of. But dude, it's Ethereum. No, it's Eternity. Like, it'd be like kind of like this. I mean, I think it would just be like this simple. No stop. I mean, no holds bar. Like straight up and down, up and down, up and down. Why will we not? If we're going to hold this successfully, we could even be tighter, like stupidly tighter, and just say, forget it. It's time, you know, and like it could be like that. And then your target 2 on Eternity could be like 530. Oh yeah, with the swing low from 2021. You had a reversal a couple times here in 2024. 1 and 2 there. I mean, that's simple.
BTC long term, please. Ty Mitch.
Ty, to you, Villa Week. Thank you for the 25 euro super chat. Bitcoin's positive on the day chat. 102,321. 321. Could be like that. I mean, right? You could be looser on your stop. It'd be probably a little more strategic, but I'm just trying to. Right, that's maybe how it could be played. These are original anchor points. I don't even know the last time I anchored this, but I'm just. That could be. It could be like that. All right. Do you get it, chat? Yes, no, maybe so. It's not your strongest setup. There are better types of setups, but it's pretty good. Look, resistance, 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 resistance. It's flip support and now support locally. Another time stronger. Above the 200 moving average. I mean, it's tradable. Not your strongest setup, but tradable. It's a momentum trade with some decent price action at a level of inflection. So it's like a trend analysis for sure. Technical indicator, that's it. The technical indicators that the tests of the resistance and support above the 200. Like, pretty simple. Again, the stop loss is kind of tight, you know. It's not as strategic as it could be probably, but we're just kind of, you'd be like trading it like, hey man, they just tested it, so why would we come down again? Probably wouldn't if it's gonna be successful. You could have a third target, 620, or I mean, you're getting into la land up there. Yeah, 650, $7 could be a third target, whatever. You're just trading the new trend. The trend is now your friend, and if it's gonna play out, then you're gonna be, one day you'll get back to mania levels and people be like, dude, could you like look at ERN? It's like, there's nothing to do. There's not even an inkling of a chance we could strategize or construct a trading plan like we just did. What coin am I looking at? Dude, I've magnified ticker where my mouse is scrolling, so you never have to ask that question. What? Are you Ian? All right, jump for Holy Guns. It probably is really low. It's stupidly low. Dude, again, education centric. It's like, hey man, will you post trade setups? So it's like, okay, well, there's an asset that has low volume, but like, would you like to learn like how to strategize, get in the mind of a swing trader, or would you just let me not to post that educational, publication because it's too low volume? It's like, danged if I do, danged if I don't. I don't post it, then you don't really get to see how to manage risk at key levels and why. Yeah, low volume. It's a joke. Scam coin. ERN's a scam coin, chat. Hello? Scam coin. Scam coin, scam coin. But hey, technicals, it's all universal. So find a high volume stock or coin that has the same stuff going on ERN, and you can take a trade on it. Don't trade, a low volume scam coin if you don't like it. Here's Jup coin, old inverse head and shoulders, played out. Definitely hit the measured move and went a little higher, and now it's lower, but nevertheless. Range bound, stuck within Jupiter's gravitational pull, which I'm sure is very crazy. Got a little M shape. We 886. Oh, of course we 886'd. Of course. Okay, I mean, there you go. Make of that what you will. More than before now. A higher low than the previous lows. I think if it's going to play out and resolve, you're going to 122, 145, 161. That's Jup. Just showing you, okay? Just an M shape. Completed. It's off the lows a little bit. And has about 28% upside to the next big level. All right, I think that's your upside potential here. All right, not bad. I mean, it's not terrible. I'll just post chart of it just for the record. Meh. Okay, that was a request for Holy Guns. Thanks again, dude. Anonymous wanted GFAIE. Guard Force AIE. Well, can't say there was much to do here. It just kind of blew up 54% today. And this is just something you wouldn't touch. You didn't have an edge. Again, you can go to the casino chat. You can pull the lever of the slot machine. And rarely you can win money. It's the same thing as just like, I'm going to long GFAI and it happens to be December 23rd to the 30th. And I'm long on it. And then you won. You won pulling the slot machine. Congratulations. You don't have to have an edge to win money. But please tell me, what did you do? Did you long it throughout all this crap? And the lower lows, all-time lows every day for a long time? I mean, you either have an edge, you're playing poker, or you're at every other game at the casino, which they're games of chance, not games of skill. Bitcoin, a new high of day, 102.5 right there. Hello. In fact, you know what's going on, chat?
Hormel Foods HML, is it a dragon plus backtest at key level?
Whoa! 102.6, 107.26. What the heck? Highs of day, highs of month, highs of week, highs of year, chat.
Is that a joint?
Look here. Look, listen.
All right. We got a little price action. Asia's getting a little freaked out. GFAI, highest daily candle close since May of last year. Great, dude. Congrats on the... Yeah, hey, dude, there was a butterfly. Or no, it was a crab pattern. It was probably a crab pattern. 168 looks like it. No, I hit a 1414. All right, reverse. Great. Nothing to do. Bitcoin, dude, 102.7. We're at the highs of the year. You kidding me, man? You talk about trash, man. Look, we've been here and it was like, oh, low risk, and now look at it. It's so bad. It is. Look at divergence, crapped out. I mean, that's so weak. You cannot, but it's okay, right? What you're gonna want to see on CGC is eventually the sellers, oh no, they can't, oh no, we're gonna, and then this happens, and then trade setup. I'll post a trade setup all day if we get this in the coming months. So have your alert set up on CGC like above 372, so you know what's happening. But you do want these things to happen. You can get a hop, like a harmonic optimum price, type 2 return, lower low double bottom. I mean, like, if we can ever get back above 372 and then test it formally as support, that would be one of your strongest indicators with optimum risk management with max upside. But we got to wait No action to take on this crap yet, but once the failed bearish breakdown occurs, if it does, it could be actionable. So you just got to be patient and wait on that. For now, garbage, and we're waiting for the failed bearish breakdown to be confirmed. And then we'll have an edge. Then we'll have an increased probability of a major markup, but not until then. So we got to wait. All right. That's your CGC, doobie. All right. Villalong wanted Cardano paired against Bitcoin. Oh, dude, 102, 420. Get wrecked. And it's over. Get wrecked. Cardano to Bitcoin. Not a really good long-term. Yeah, well, I mean, if you're asking about it for, you just said long-term. Working on the lowest high of the downtrend, I guess, right? You have not made a higher high than the previous discernible swing high from December 2023. Yeah, real nice pump off of the swing low, but that's about it so far. I mean, what if they attempt to rally and then it dumps? What if you put in something like this? Let's do something like that, and then oh wow, look, an 886. This will be great, down here, but not much to do up here, right? You either care about it at 571 or you don't care at all, because that's the only level to manage risk, and they violated the level before recapturing it to false bearish breakdown. Long term, I have nothing. I don't know. Very real downtrend, and the trend has not reversed. What are the most recent discernible things to happen on this chart? I mean, your lowest high so far, before that was the lowest low. They might be putting in a higher low here, but again, there's an attempted rally going on. I just don't think long-term Cardano is going to outperform Bitcoin. History shows you that it might pump here and there, but it's going to normally make the lowest high. Yeah, I mean, December 2020 all the way to June 2021, that was insane, man. That was crazy. September 2021, Bitcoin did not top out till November 2021. So, I don't know. Really. So, see what they did? They violated the level, and they big rally, and then the valley, and then they confirmed the bottom here. So, you would want something like that to happen again. Oh, okay, whatever. And then this. You'd want like that, and it could be fairly similar to what we saw in 2020 the whole year. Yeah, I mean, I would prefer something like that, but that's all you have. All right, 1023. Well, that was fun for a second, chat. Nice. HML, Hormel Foods. HRL, not HML. Oh, well, that beautiful bear flag, dude. Oh, my God. It was so nice. Do we still have evidence of that? Oh, my... Dude, are you kidding me? Well, chat, you want to see this? I completely forgot about August of 2023 on HRL. Okay, it was just, look, bear flag, bearish back test of key level as resistance. Target 1 was 34. Target 2 was 29.70. Okay, and then what happened? It's now what, August 2023. Now it's January 2025. Look at this. Target 1, target 2, and target 2 is just exactly where these buyers keep trying to defend this level. This is why it was target 2. And to be real with you, the price action is anemic right now. It's kind of like, what the... You should be getting a more pronounced bounce. You should be recapturing the 200 with no problem, no controversy. This thing's just rolling over, down 2% today, coming back down to... Dude, this is nasty. You're about to go test 29.45 again. If that doesn't hold, what the heck? They just keep absorbing demand here. I mean, it's almost like the only thing you have going on is, wow, here's a high and here's a confirmed high. Both these highs lower than this high. Such a lack of demand from buyers that $34 could not even be retested. It's bad. I mean, it's bad. Like, you should look, you got a bullish shark here. Like, you would have like the Scott Carney argument. Look, man, it's a shark. Wow, dude. Whoa, like 886. We got the M shape. We got type 1, type 2, and like garbage. Like this is where it should be reversing. Now, if they did something like this, maybe, but it's really tough right now. It's pretty scary. Yeah, you're at levels that we can monitor it, but dang, man, you just had Nvidia make all-time highs. Big tech killed it today. And you got Hormel Foods over here that can't catch a bid to save its life. Can't even catch COVID. Well, there you go, man. I mean, it might be ready if we get some positive price action correlation to 29.82. We never see 29.45 or something. Bullish engulfing candle, maybe. Then you could just start managing your risk optimally with a stop below that, because you would have all the argument in the world to not own HRL below 29.45. That's how it is. But hey, man, hype in the chat for the forgotten short trade setup on the bear flag. It was wonderful. Also, Anonymous, corn futures.
Anonymous tipped $25. ZC1.
You want corn futures? I bet it's spiking because of the blizzards and stuff, right? Natural gas did that too. Sure, like food commodities. Wow.
Can you look at JWN, Nordstrom's THX52 follow?
Maybe, Claudio, maybe. I think you did. I think you know the rules. And so do I. Let's see here. ZC1. Is the corn futures. Been a minute, man. There he is, man. Thank you, dude. Yeah, well, so really well established bear trend. Okay. Going on a bear market rally, as they do. Approaching an 88% retrace in the previous discernible swing high. So you're reaching that maybe max threshold. See, you're not even at it. You're almost there. 462 is the target. And then from there, you know, you would think that eventually it would roll over again and reassume, you know, the sellers would reassume the downtrend. But this bear market rally has been going on since August. We're talking a 133-day bear market rally. So again, even if it kept going, even if it did, you do not have evidence of accumulation at all. So it would just be a short squeeze. Buyer inducing rally, whatever. I think, and eventually, like you're just like the trend is not your friend, so there's not much to do. Look, oh, here's a resistance. Dang, man. See, they took out a big resistance at 441, but here's the other one right here at 463, pretty much confluent with that 886, the local 886. So, hey, man, but that's a deep 886 retrace, right? I guess, like a huge M shape. Yeah, it hits the 886 like the Jesus and gaps up. Okay. Big Mike, you see this, man? You seeing this? Yeah, so big old M shape. So it's a type 1 reaction, if anything, at best. Bear market rally at best. And then the lowest high and lowest low at best. So you would want to see, you know, all right, it rolls over and then we get something like this going on. Like where you can just see evidence of a composite operator that has interest in this asset. There just is none. Like, okay, oh, this is great. Look, there's this level and they're violating it and they're recapturing it and they're down at supports. All right, I could get behind that, but this is just outer space, 886. That's it. I just have nothing to do here. I can't take action on it. There's nothing to do for the swing trader and using the framework taught here, okay? But up here, you remember this. Corn futures, it was freaking fantastic. You can't even make up how good it was. Yeah, these commodities respect the TA so well. All right, and just like we were at the highs of the year, highest level since mid-December on Bitcoin, we are now at the lows of the day. So that $102,350 level is so real. 4-hour candles in a row testing it to no avail of a break really yet. Okay, let's go to JWN. Nordstrom, that's right. Well, we had this. Good start. Could be topping out soon. But man, like it was a beautiful bullish Gartley type 2 return. Off the lows, performance been pretty meh for now. Do we have evidence of this? I think we do. Yeah, a lot of people do in the Discord, not just me. Yeah, look, yeah. Yeah, it was there. It was identified initially, but it just really hasn't gone very far, right? I mean, it's retail trade, department stores. I don't know how well it's going to go. I mean, like they've broken 2347. Is there enough demand? I mean, Target 1, $36. Target 2, $47. Just the harmonic framework. Weekly. I mean, this is pretty spectacular down here, man. Just, dude, like an 8. See, that's from low to high, 886, right? Like mega 2008 to 2015, low to high anchoring. It's this M shape's completing at the 886 at a 1991 swing high. I mean, so who knows how long? I mean, this is like you'd think. Yeah, we're probably going to reverse the upside way higher, but what if they take it back down to freaking $13 for another 6 months? And it's like, oh, this is the type 2 return. It's kind of tough here, man. Like, there's no animal spirits in it yet, but it does have the framework, and it's all happening at a magic level for way higher prices. It just when will the bids come in on Nordstrom? Yeah, you have an argument. Sure. My music stop, really? Nice. Well, we're pretty much caught up today anyway. That was the last one more request. So not great, not terrible. Great M shape. Great wedge breakout. Confirmation low. All happening at the magic Jesus zone. But look at it. It's been anemic. Like trying to hold this for a year now. It's probably been gut-wrenching. Your yield has been terrible. Inflation has been outrunning you, owning this. That's the problem with it. And before one day, Nordstrom's gonna, start selling AI in their clothes. What? And then, boom, $35 overnight. Something stupid. Nordstrom's going nuclear. I don't know. Whatever, dude. They tend to do this Composite Man comes up with dumb headlines after those M shapes complete like that, so look at this weekly on Bitcoin. Like the engulfing candle was confirmed last night and we have immediate follow through. I mean, like Bitcoin's up like 3.97% on the new week. So we're talking about Bitcoin is up like 9% in 2 weeks, chat. Not bad. Yeah, we're in good shape, man. Real good shape. Anything above 99K is fantastic. They could come and back test it. Oh, God, so annoying. But for now, what a freaking day. Remember, buyers recaptured the bullish control zone on the relative strength index. Back above the relative strength, the bullish control zone since mid-December. That's great. Your 88% retrace is 106.5. That's a big target for a dragon. Okay. We were sitting in a cliff. It was scary, and then all of a sudden, dang man, starting to look pretty good. Like my tone changes at these levels. It's like it's not looking great. Whoa, they're starting to. Oh, they're gonna. You know, like it literally the new data. Sometimes like we go day by day because it's so you don't know. Oh man, it's gonna. Whoa, they recaptured it. Whoa, they defended it. Holy crap! All of a sudden, there's seller exhaustion on the 8-hour and 12-hour. Whoa, they broke a supply line. And this is happening. Like, you have to be paying attention to the markets like that. You can go from, I'm not so, this is kind of scary right here. Then all of a sudden, this is starting to look pretty good. And then you run straight up to 99K because that's the only thing that made sense. And now we broke it. That was real nice. It was straight up like...
I've got information, man. New shit has come to light.
Wonderful, man. Okay, so let's break these last levels. 102, 350, 103, lesser time scale, candle closes, and let's just run to all-time highs before the inauguration. Let's do that, man. In the end, it was all about the 8-hour and the 12-hour divergence on the second low, and then all of a sudden it started becoming very good. Oh, they're testing it really well here. Engulfing candle, oh, broke supply line. Then I was like, yeah, let's go to 99K. It was that 8-hour was so nice. It was so nice, man. Remember we talked about this the day we identified it, and it looked just like in October. Very, very textbook. And look what it's turned into. RSI is up 42 bips from that second peak, that divergence being identified. Great, man. Wow. So, okay, chat. What a day. I hope you made some money. I know I did. Whew. Portfolio doing things in 2025. So it's a good start to somehow topping 2025. 2024, I don't know how, but good start. So thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything between. Big Mike, thanks for the $500. Holy crap, of Algorand. He's the 2025 Jesus for now. So I'll be back. Till next time, respects, T.A.
targets.